Last week, the first two rounds of the MLS Super Draft began, and the American with another solid group of picks early on. For the second year in a row, a UConn player was selected first overall. Forward Kyle Larin was picked up by Orlando City, which made the Huskies the first ever program to have back-to-back top overall picks in the Super Draft, which began in 1997. Andre Blake and Chris Gibondi are the other Huskies to be selected number 1 overall. UConn's top 3 picks rank second all-time among Division I schools. Another UConn player was selected already this year. American Defensive Player of the Year, Sergio Campbell, went to Columbus with the 19th pick in the first round. Romario Williams became the highest MLS draft selection in UCF history and the 6th in the past 8 seasons under head coach Brian Cunningham. The Knights have 5 former players currently playing in the MLS. And for the 5th straight year, USF had a defender picked in the Super Draft as Toronto FC took Wesley Charpie. Charpie became the 6th Bulls defender to be drafted in the past 5 years. Tulsa forward Akil Barrett was also selected in the second round by Orlando City and will possibly be playing with UConn's Kyle Larin up top. On the women's side, UCF forward and American Offensive Player of the Year, Tatiana Coleman, was the 9th pick in the second round of the 2015 NWSL College Draft by the Western New York Flash. Coleman helped her team to the Sweet 16 round of the Women's College Cup before falling to eventual national champion Florida State. For more information on all American sports, you can find everything you need to know at theamerican.org. Make sure you keep an eye out as we have another action-packed week of basketball on tap. As always, thanks for tuning into The Rise. For the American Digital Network, I'm Haley Outen. Have a great week.